Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a Kakao Talk account. For that you have to launch the Kakao app on your device and then you will land on this interface. Here if you already have an Kakao account, you can simply type in your email and your password and log in. Now in order to sign up, tap on sign up option. Here you will see all the terms and conditions. Check that all and then again tap on agree and continue. Once you see this interface, here you have to type in your phone number. First of all, select the country and then again type in your phone number. Once you're done with that, tap on OK and then again a dialog box will pop up which says you will receive a verification code on this phone number. Tap on OK. Now to receive the verification code, you have to send verification message. Tap on send verification number and then you will directly land on your message on your device. After that, you have to send message to this number. So send the message here and then you will get a verification code. Once you get a verification code, head back to Kakao app. In here type on check verification and enter the verification code correctly and then you will be able to sign up on Kakao Talk app. This is how you can simply register or sign up on Kakao app. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. And thanks for watching. I will see you on next tutorial.